Welcome back. After exploring the descriptive twin in the previous video, let's dive into level 2, the connected twin. Inventory shelves in a warehouse are great examples of connected twins. Equipped with sensors that track stock levels, humidity, and temperature, these shelves provide continuous updates. With this information readily available in our digital twin model, we can manage inventory more efficiently. If there's an unusual spike or drop in stock levels, we get instant alerts. This helps ensure that products stay organized and easily accessible when needed. The connected twin offers valuable insights into asset performance by integrating real-time IoT data. This capability allows businesses to streamline operations and make quick, informed decisions. Join us next time as we explore Level 3, the Predictive Twin, where we'll see how we can analyze this data to identify issues and improve performance.